So, here we are at Mesa, Arizona, at the Nile, just outside of Phoenix. Quite a bit of a drive here. Taking wrong turns can be pretty funny. We're just setting up. Things are looking pretty good in here. Things are sounding pretty good in here so far. We have a band called Bella Lune. We'll be performing. Here we go tonight, opening the show up, and Violent Tremors are back here. Ogre and LSD are downstairs eating some lovely Chinese food, and we hope to rock this little outrageous place to the ground tonight. Stay tuned on to YouTube and Facebook for any upcoming pictures, videos, things like that may pop up. I know I am meeting up with J. Coma Ward of Coma Music Magazine this evening to do an interview. Looking forward to that as well. So I bid you adieu for now as I continue setting up shop here. And we will touch base once again in the next town.